Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you one of the trade which I've taken recently and it turned out to be a loss. I have not exited the trade yet. The capital that I deployed in this trade is 5 lakhs and so far the loss stands at 13%. So somewhere around 63 or 64,000. I have not exited yet. So I will just explain you the reason behind why I took this trade and why I could have avoided this trade. Currently I'm still holding on to it. I will also explain you why I have not exited yet. Everything I'll just explain you now, but before that please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also please share this channel with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Okay friends, this is JCorp chart in daily time frame. So this is a very beautiful triangle pattern. If you can see here at the top, there has been more than 7 resistance at the top, and at the bottom you could see that there is 3 to 4 supports at the bottom, and of course it was a very beautiful breakout, and my entry was exactly at 103. This is where I entered, and my stop loss was below the trend line. I was hoping that okay, it would take a retrace here in the trend line and then continue its momentum, but no, the JCorp had other plans, and what happened was it just broke the upper trend line and came down. So initially my stop loss was below the trend line, but then I decided I would keep the stop loss below this huge wick, because this is a huge buying pressure and it takes a lot of selling pressure to break this level, correct? Just a second. Okay, so that was the idea behind it, and yes, so far it has not broken, but I still do not have any hope on this stock. I don't think so it will go up. I don't know, but I may exit the moment I see any kind of bearishness. Okay, so how I could have avoided this stock is I did not look at the longer time frame, which is weekly time frame. If you look at it, the stock has been in a downtrend right from 2017, correct? And I looked at it thinking that this is a breakout, but if you look at the longer time frame, it's a clear bearish stock, and it doesn't make sense to go long in a bearish stock, right? And so this is one of the reason where I missed to look at it. When I was looking at this breakout, I was very quick, and I did not look at all the details like higher time frame also. I just looked at the daily time frame, and I thought this is a beautiful breakout, and then I just entered. Although I followed all the risk management, position sizing, everything is set. So these fake breakouts do happen, because if you look at it, this is a very good triangle pattern breakout, and these things happen, and that is why we follow risk management and position sizing. So right now I'm standing at a loss of around 50,000 as this stock has gained a little bit of momentum now, but let's see. I still do not have much hope. I will exit looking at the price action, and on the current condition I will improvise my situation. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something here. So the key takeaway from this video is daily time frame is fine, but also make sure to look at the weekly time frame so that you get the picture of the longer time frame. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video with patience. Please make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubt, and also please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any other video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with other video.